Hello traders, welcome to my channel, Sam Trading Strategies. Today, I'm sharing a simple yet powerful 30-second pocket option trading strategy using Heikin Ashi candles, the moving average indicator, and the MACD indicator. But first, here's an important tip. Always test this strategy on a demo account before trading with real money. Got it? Great, let's dive in. Let's get started by setting up your chart. First, choose the Heikin Ashi candle type and set the time frame to 5 seconds. Next, add two indicators, the MACD indicator and the moving average indicator. Set the moving average indicator to a 14-period simple moving average. For the MACD indicator, configure the fast period to 14, slow period to 24, and signal period to 8. So now the chart is ready to implement our strategy. So without wasting any time, let us understand the trading rules of this strategy. But before that, for those visiting my channel for the first time, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and enable all notifications so you never miss any of my new strategies. Let's get started. Here's how this strategy works. For a sell trade, wait for a red Heikin Ashi candle to break below the SMA line. At the same time, the red signal line of the MACD should cross the blue MACD line from above and move downward. Take a 30-second sell trade immediately. For a buy trade, watch for a blue Heikin Ashi candle to break above the SMA line. Simultaneously, the red signal line of the MACD should cross the blue MACD line from below and move upward. Take a 30-second buy trade immediately. Keep the candle time frame at 5 seconds and expiry time at 30 seconds. A quick tip: avoid using this strategy during news events for better accuracy. The best part? This strategy works in all market trading sessions, including OTC markets. If the rules sound a bit confusing, don't worry. Let's take some live trades to help you understand better. Stick around till the end to see this strategy in action. See how we apply the rules step by step? This is how you can master this strategy and make confident trades. We've got a strong sell trade setup based on our strategy. Let me explain the signals. First, the red Heikin Ashi candle has broken below the SMA line. At the same time, the red signal line on the MACD has crossed below the blue MACD line and is now moving upwards. This is our confirmation to place a sell trade for 30 seconds. It looks like we've almost secured a win on this trade. That's the beauty of sticking to a well-tested and reliable strategy. It keeps delivering consistent results. We've identified a solid buy trade setup using our strategy. Here's what's happening. The blue Heikin Ashi candle has broken above the SMA line. At the same time, the red signal line on the MACD indicator has crossed below the blue MACD line and is now moving downwards. These are our perfect signals to place a buy trade for 30 seconds. Now, all we need to do is wait patiently to see how this trade unfolds. Will it be another win? Stick around for the results. We've just won this trade, a perfect execution of our strategy. This is why patience and discipline always pay off in trading. But remember, trading is all about waiting for the right opportunities. So now, let's stay focused and patiently wait for the next perfect setup to continue our streak. We've spotted another perfect buy trade setup using our strategy. Let me break it down for you. The blue Heikin Ashi candle has broken above the SMA line. Meanwhile, the red signal line on the MACD indicator has crossed below the blue MACD line and is moving downwards. These are our confirmation signals to place a 30-second buy trade. Now it's all about patience. Let's wait and see how this trade unfolds. Could this be another win? Stay tuned for the results. Important reminder: trading binary options involves significant financial risk and may result in losing your money. Trade responsibly. Great news, everyone! We've won this trade as well. This is a perfect example of how sticking to a proven strategy can deliver consistent results. But the journey doesn't stop here. Let's keep the momentum going by hunting for another perfect trade setup. Stick around and let's continue building our winning streak together. We've got a perfect buy trade setup according to our strategy. Here's why this setup stands out. The blue Heikin Ashi candle has broken above the SMA line. At the same time, the red signal line on the MACD indicator has crossed below the blue MACD line and is moving downwards. These are our confirmation signals to place a 30-second buy trade. Fantastic news! We've won this trade. This is yet another example of how sticking to the strategy leads to consistent success. We've just spotted a perfect buy trade setup using our strategy. Let me show you why this setup is so promising. The blue Heikin Ashi candle has broken above the SMA line. Meanwhile, the red signal line on the MACD indicator has crossed below the blue MACD line and is now moving upward. These are our exact confirmation signals to place a 30-second buy trade. We've won this trade! We've just spotted a perfect buy trade setup using our strategy. Let me show you why this setup is so promising. The blue Heikin Ashi candle has broken above the SMA line. Meanwhile, the red signal line on the MACD indicator has crossed below the blue MACD line and is now moving upward. We've won this trade as well. I hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you've got any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Now, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. It really means a lot to me and helps me keep creating high-quality content for you. And if you think this could help someone in your trading community, go ahead and share the video. Let's help each other grow. Keep learning, keep growing. Remember, the power to succeed is in your hands. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.